Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in. Day number what, Mandy?
49.
You are wrong. Day number 50.
50.
Day number 50. And look who we have here. We have the always beautiful, always charming Miss Caitlin Otilia Harris. Miss Katie Cat is here on the pasture with us. And wait, who else do we have on the pasture? We got Drooly McDroolerstein, or as we like to call him, Big D McBees. So Kelton is out here with us as well. So as I told everybody yesterday, we have great big plans of going to a football game tomorrow down at the University of Wyoming to watch our beloved Wyoming Cowboys play some football. Go Pokes! So Katie and Kelton, they just arrived from South Dakota, and we are going to let these birds out. Katie's going to help us out. Katie is a full-time chicken wrangler in South Dakota. Look at this. This is so much fun. A girl and her chicken. It's a beautiful thing.
Oh. Can't mess with a girl and a bird. I was going to get a picture.
So anyway, so that is what we're doing here. So we got all of our bird friends out here. Oh, look at this. They're chasing this grasshopper down. Get it. Oh. Oh, sorry about that.
Come here, bird. Hi.
Okay, find some grasshoppers, birds. Make us proud.
Hello, bird.
Make us proud, birds. You.
There's no itty bitties in this one. Well, I'll pick another one.
All right, so Miss Katie is grabbing a smaller bird. We're going to start with some smaller birds here. She's going to grab one of the smaller ones. There were no big bird or no small birds in that farthest east tractor. So let's get
put them in here.
right here.
How do I put them in? Feet
Just
in.
Feet first.
I mean, you could try head first. I could.
Now you got to make sure its head stays down so it doesn't want to jump out.
Right.
That one is coming in at 4 pounds, 9 ounces.
Woo-hoo!
And that's a smaller bird, right, Katie?
Yes.
Okay, 4 pounds, 9 ounces. That's up. Now hold on, let me zoom out here. Kind of give us an idea for the size there. So that's about that size. Okay, so go grab us another one, Katie. Another smallish bird.
Okay.
She says this one's just a tad bit smaller. See if we can get an idea for what that bird weighs. 2 pounds, 14 ounces, so just under 3 pounds. So 2 pounds, 14 ounces. And then give us an idea, Katie, of the size of that bird. Yeah, you can see that one's a little bit smaller. All right.
Alrighty. Big one? I'll go with like a middle of the road-ish.
All right, so Miss Katie has another one. And this one's kind of we're going to call this one a medium. And we're going to see what. Oh, really?
Oh, I don't think he likes us.
It's okay.
Put your hand.
There
we go.
Okay, so stand still.
He can't get his bearings. Yeah.
Okay, so what is that one at? 5?
10.
Seriously? That's a 6 pound bird?
5. Oh, Lord. 5 pounds, 10 ounces is what it read at. But I don't know. Hold on, you got to get this one.
Oh, you got to put it squared up.
Oh, I was wrong.
5 pounds, 5 ounces?
Yep. Almost 6. 5, 5.5. Oh, Lord, I picked the feisty one, huh?
Yeah, you did pick the feisty one. Look at him. Katie, give us an idea for that one size-wise?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a medium.
He's a medium guy.
Okay, so Katie is bringing us a full size. Oh, chicken bird. Oh, I know.
He does not want to be in there.
Okay, we should have brought a bigger bucket.
You gotta have both ends on it.
5 pounds, 3 ounces.
That's crazy.
5
I would have
pounds,
thought
3.
he was
That one
bigger
looks
than
bigger,
the
yeah.
other one.
That one looks bigger. So 5 pounds, 3 ounces.
Hi, buddy.
And I'm going to give that one, I'm going to take 3 ounces away from that one for being wet. But, okay, go grab us another one, Katie.
Gotta stay in it.
4 pounds, 10 ounces?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go 4 pounds, 10 ounces.
410. Oof.
That one's stuck in the bucket. Okay. Okay, we got another one here.
Seems about it.
She's got a nice tame one again. 4 pounds. 4 pounds.
I'm gonna say 4.4.
4.4. I think
Yeah.
that's a good average. 4.4. Okay.
Yeah, he is not staying. He's like, put me back to the feed.
That's a 4 pound bird right there. Thank you, Katie.
Goodness gracious. Handle your bird, Mom. Come on.
Handle the bird.
Come on, handle the bird like a man.
Get it. That's a big one.
There's a big bird.
Dude,
Okay.
he did not like that at all.
It's a big bird. Okay, buddy. Can you see?
5 pounds 12. 5 pounds. I'm going to go 5.12. 5.12. So almost a 6 pound bird right there. And then give us a size on that one, Katie. Oh, yeah. That's a big one. That's a full grown
His
Boone and Crockett
feet.
bird. I know. Look how big those feet are on that thing. So it's a big old cockerel.
How are you? Good.
Yep. Oh, I would have thought he was more.
5 pounds, 5 ounces.
Yep. He was not as feisty as the last.
So,
So, look at
oh yeah, sorry, I forgot what the plan was. Yeah, a little bit smaller. Okay, thank you, Katie. $5.12.
Dude,
I'm
I
gonna go
thought we were gonna get a
$5.12 on that one.
sixer.
Close though.
No.
Close.
I think that they only have like. Whoop.
Another good one. Okay, so we had some extra help on the Urban Micro Farm today. Some of us were more helpful than others. But hey, moral support counts as help. So it was a great day. It's a beautiful, beautiful day out here on the pasture. I'm gonna share the sunset with you today. I wasn't gonna, but everybody was complaining yesterday about, oh, I wanted to see the sunset. So you'll get to see the sunset now. So I can't tell you guys how happy I am to have Kelton and Katie here for this. It was a great day. The wind wasn't howling. The birds were all well, and everybody seems happy. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Miss Caterade.
This is Caterade checking out from the Urban Micro Farms Day 50.
Adios.